Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today, the emergence of blockchain technology has brought a revolution in the world of digital transactions. It offers a secure and decentralized system to store data, or transfer funds, and execute smart contracts. The technology has become so popular that many financial institutes and businesses are exploring its potential to increase their efficiency and security. However, the question remains, can blockchain be hacked? In this video, we will explore these questions and understand the security measures prevent that make blockchain technology so secure. What is blockchain? Before we dive into the tech topic of whether blockchain can be hacked, let's first understand that what is blockchain technology. Blockchain is a distributed ledger technology that allows multiple parties to have access to the same database. It consists of blocks of data and are linked to each other, forming a chain of blocks. um, each block contains a cryptographic hash of the previous block, making it difficult for anyone to tamper with the data. Blockchain is decentralized, meaning that it does not rely on a central authority or server to store data. Instead, the network of computers that make up the blockchain validation transa- transactions and update the database. This makes it difficult for any single entity to control the network or manipulate the data. For more details about what is blockchain, how it works, and all, you can go and check on my channel because I have already made a detailed video on it. So, back to the point, can blockchain be hacked? While blockchain technology is generally considered to be secure, it is not immune to hacks, right? In fact, there have been several instances in which blockchain networks have been compromised, resulting in the loss of millions of dollars. Here are some of the ways in which blockchain can be hacked. First, 51% attack. This is one of the most common ways in which blockchain can be hacked, is through a 51% attack. This occurs when a single entity of a group of entities or a group of entities control more than 50% of the computing power on the network. In this level of control, the attackers can manipulate the network by creating a fraudulent transactions, double spending, or even rewriting the entire blockchain. To carry out a 51% attack, the attackers need to acquire a significant amount of computing power, which can be expensive and difficult to achieve. To prevent 51% attacks, blockchain networks implement a consensus mechanism that acquire network participants to agree on the validity of the transactions. Additionally, some networks have implemented measures to prevent large mining pools from gaining too much of control over the network. Blockchain protocol code bugs. Protocols are complex programs that have bugs. The hackers will make good use of these loopholes. Okay, so third, you can say routing attack. Compromising with internet services providers can be the root cause for this type of hack. Hackers can stop the communication channel of blockchain by compromising or working with the ISP. Uh, Fourth, you can say smart contract bugs. Some contracts are self executing contracts that are stored on the blockchain. They are used to automate the execution of contracts between the parties without need of intermediaries. However, smart contracts are not immune to vulnerabilities, and if these vulnerabilities are exploited, they can lead to loss of funds or manipulate the contract. For instance, a smart contract can be written in a way that allows an attacker to drain funds from the contract. It is important to conduct through audits of the code and implement strict security protocols. Additionally, some blockchain networks have implemented tools that allow developers to test smart contract for vulnerabilities before deploying them. Fifth, you can say Sybil attack. When a single party owns large number of nodes in the system, a hacker can try to disrupt the network activities. Sixth, direct denial of services. Here, hackers can flood the network with high volumes of traffic and disturb the approx disturb the appropriate request from getting any resources. Seventh, you can say private theft. The another way in which blockchain can be hacked is through the theft of private keys. Private keys are used to access funds of the blockchain, and if they fall into the wrong hands, they can be used to steal funds, right? Obviously. So, private keys can be stolen through a variety of methods, such as phishing attacks, malware, or social engineering. Once an attacker has access to a private key, they can use it to transfer funds. To prevent private key theft, it is important to store private keys in secure locations, such as you can keep in a hardware wallet. Additionally, it is important to never share your private key with anyone use and you have to use strong passwords and two-factor authentication. Okay, so how can you prevent the blockchain hacks? First, you can audit processes that would check blockchain protocols code heavily before launching. Second, you can say a smart contract codes should be tested exhaustively to get rid of any bugs. Third, users should not share their private keys to anyone and keep their private keys private only, as I said earlier. Uh, you should not repeat the passwords everywhere or should not log in from foreign devices. Fifth, blockchain platforms should have monitoring options to detect any abnormal activities very fast. Sixth, security protocols that should be more up to date. Okay. Seventh, blockchain developers should make sure that consensus algorithm is protected. Eighth, you can say users on the network should report any bug on the system as soon as they detect it. So guys, see, blockchain technology offers a highly secure and decentralized system for storing data and executing transactions. However, it is not immune to hacking, and there are several ways that hackers can attempt to compromise blockchain networks. Despite the risk, blockchain remain one of the most secure system for storing and transferring data. As the technology continues to evolve, developers are constantly improving security measures to prevent hacking attempts. So, guys, if you're using blockchain technology, then it is essential to follow best practice for security, such as using secure wallets, keeping your private key secured. So that's it for today. And for more informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.